Namaste friends, today we are going to solve this question. X plus 3 divided by 5051 plus x plus 2 divided by 5052 plus x plus 1 divided by 5053 plus x divided by 5054 equal to minus 4, then find the value of x. Now we will bring this minus 4 from the right hand side to the left hand side of this equation and it will become plus 4. So we can write this as plus 4 is equal to 0. Now this plus 4 we will write here as plus 1, here as plus 1 and here plus 1. So we can rewrite this equation like this: x plus 3 divided by 5051 plus 1 plus x plus 2 divided by 5052 plus 1 plus x plus 1 divided by 5053 plus 1 plus x divided by 5054 plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we will solve each of these expressions. The LCM for the first expression is 5051. Then we can write it at x plus 3 plus 1 into 5051, it will become 5051 plus, now for the second expression the LCM is 5052. Now we can write it as x plus 2 plus 1 into 5052 plus, for the third one LCM is 5053 and we can write it as x plus 1 plus 1 into 5053 is 5053 plus LCM is 5054 and we can write it as x plus 1 into 5054 is equal to 0. Now we can simplify this as x plus 3 plus 5051, that is 5054 divided by 5051 plus x plus 2 plus 5052, that is 5054 divided by 5052 plus x plus 5053 plus 1, that is 5054 divided by 5053 plus x plus 5054 divided by 5054 is equal to 0. We can see x plus 5054 is common in all the expressions. So we can take the common as x plus 5054 and we can rewrite this as 1 by 5051 plus 1 by 5052 plus 1 by 5053 plus 1 by 5054 is equal to 0. As these are two multiplications and the result is 0, we can write x plus 5054 is equal to 0. So we can write it as x is equal to, will this 5054 in the right hand side, then we can write as minus 5054. Hence this is the answer. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it enjoyable and informative. If you did, I kindly ask for your support by liking, sharing and subscribing to this channel. Thanks again. Until next time, take care and bye bye.